Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Let's continue chapter number 3. So, now we have to study the factors that influence the climate of a place. The first factor that influences the climate of a place is distance from the equator. How far or how close the place is from the equator, that is more important to determine a climate of a place. The area lying between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is very hot and is known as torrid zone. This is the hottest zone. The poles, the north frigid zone and the south frigid zone, they are always cold. They are the coldest zones as they receive very little or no sunlight. So the climate here is cold. Then we have the north temperate zone and south temperate zone. Here the sun rays spread wider, so the temperature here is moderate, not too cold, neither very warm. Let's understand better with the picture. You can see this equator. This equator gets direct sun rays. That's why here it is very hot. Then as we'll move further towards north and south, in the center, if you can see, this is temperate zone. Here the temperature is moderate as it receives slanting sun rays, and towards the poles as we'll move, it is very cold because we receive less or no sun rays. Second is our altitude or height above the sea level. The place with the high altitude have a cold climate, while those with lower altitude have a hot climate. As we'll go higher from the lower surface of the earth, the layer of the air becomes thinner and absorbs less heat. Next is our distance from the sea. Place near the sea is usually neither very hot nor very cold. On the other hand, a place far from the sea is usually very cold in winters and very hot in summers, as are Agra. It is very hot in summers and cool in winters. Here is a picture of land breeze and sea breeze. Next is our directions of the winds. If the wind blows from a direction where the temperature of the air is cool, the winds will be cool. And if it blows from a warm place, like from hot desert area, the winds will be warm. Another factor that determines the climate of a place is humidity and rains. Now, what is this humidity? Let's take an example. In the month of June and July, when you touch your hands, you feel little chip kind, is actually humidity. Here are the points to remember. You can go through to understand better and few new words from the chapter.